Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to check if your current system meets the requirements to run Windows 11. First of all, we'll need to go to this Microsoft website. I have given you link in the description below. On this website, you'll need to scroll down all the way to the bottom to minimum system requirements. After that, you'll be able to verify your computer for compatibility. You can check here if your computer supports these minimum requirements. Most of the computers meet needs like processor, memory, storage, UEFI, secure boot capable, and other things, but it all comes down to TPM 2.0. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It is a chip that provides security-related functions which are needed for Windows 11. Even if your system meets all the other requirements but do not have TPM 2.0, it will not be able to update to Windows 11. Now, I'll show you how to check if our computer has TPM or not. If our system has TPM, we can upgrade it to version 2.0, but if it doesn't have TPM, then we'll not be able to install Windows 11. Let me show you how to check it in my computer. My system is HP Pavilion 15 series. Let's check if it is compatible or not. Click on Start button and go to Settings. Here, search Security Processor. Click on it, and under Security Processor Detail, we can see that I don't have any specifications because my system doesn't have TPM chip. So that means my device does not support Windows 11. If you see manufacturer or version of TPM under Security Processor Detail and the status says ready, then check the TPM version. If the version is 2.0, we can update our Windows to Windows 11, but if it is not 2.0, then we need to upgrade it. To upgrade TPM version, click on Get Started and we will upgrade. Now, if we see manufacturer or version of TPM under Security Processor Detail and the status says not ready, then we need to reset TPM. Click on Get Started and restart computer. Verify the status. It will work. Now, check with PC Health app to see if our current PC meets the requirements to run Windows 11. If so, we can get a free upgrade when it rolls out. To download the app, go to Microsoft site again. At the end of the page, click here on Download app. After that, go to Download location and install it. After installing, it will run automatically. Click on Check Now. It will show you if our system meets all the requirements or not. As I don't have TPM chip in my computer, this gives me an error. My computer will not be able to install Windows 11. If our system meets all the requirements, then it is ready to install Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.